the most important part of this evening as the candidate face the important questions. This is our candidate's chance to convince the judges and be the new Ginoo at Binibining Mambog 2024. Let's begin with our Ginoo Mambog candidates. For the ball question. Ang gwapo naman ang batang ito. This time, we would like to call on our first Ginoo number 1. Ginoo number 1, you may pick your question. I will read it twice para mas maintindihan mo. And I would like to announce sa ating mga audience, hayaan po muna natin makatapos sumagot ang ating mga candidates, and after po nun, saka po siya palakpakan. Are you ready?
Ready po.
This is your question. Aside from your parent, who is the most influential person in your life and why? Once again, aside from your parent, who is the most influential person in your life and why?
Ang mga influential na tao po sa mga buhay ko. Yung mga kaibigan ko po palagi na para sa akin dyan. Mga tropa ko dyan, salamat lagi sa inyo, kasuporta nyo. Tulong.
Ang mga tropa, thank you very much. Ginoo number 1, this I would like to call on Ginoo number 2. Ginoo number 2, you may pick your question. And this is your question. What is one very important lesson we should be teaching the children of today and why? Ulitin ko ang tanong. What is one very important lesson we should be teaching the children of today and why?
Kung ako man po ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon na turuan ang kabataan na gaya ko sa ating Mambog. Ang ituturo ko po ang ugali sa ating kabataan ng Mambog ay magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos. Dahil ang taong ng takot sa Diyos ay hindi gagawa ng kahit anumang masamang bagay. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Very well said, Ginoo number 2. This time we have Ginoo number 3. Thank you very much. Ginoo number 3, may pick your question. This is your question. Do you believe in long-term courtship? Why or why not? I repeat the question. Do you believe in long-term courtship? Why or why not?
Sa aking opinion po, naniniwala po ako sa long-term courtship. Dahil po ang panliligaw ay kailangan natin kilalanin ang bawat isa kung ano ba ang kanilang ugali upang pag nakilala nila ang isa't isa ay magkakaroon na sila ng magandang pagsasama. Hindi natin masasabi na pag sinagot agad natin sila ay magtatagal tayo. Nasa isang relasyon, ang kailangan nila ay pagiging matibay at kailangan nila ng pundasyon para sa kanilang pagmamahalan. Yan lamang po at maraming salamat.
Siguro mga 2 months niya magliligaw, Hindi ko naranasan yung matagal-tagal eh. This time we have Ginoo number 4. This is your question. Ginoo number 4. What is the most important lesson that your mother taught you? I repeat the question. What is the most important lesson that your mother taught you?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. The most important lesson that my mom taught me is to lagi pong respetuhin ang mga taong nakatatanda. Huwag mawalan ng galang sa kanila at laging gumalang. Ayun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Ginoo number 4. How about Ginoo number 5? Ginoo number 5, may girlfriend ka na?
Oh.
Tinanong ko lang naman. This is your question. What are the characteristics of kabataan ng Mambog that you're proud of and why? Ulitin ko ang tanong. What are the characteristics of kabataan ng Mambog that you're proud of and why?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong magandang tanong. Ang proud po ako bilang taga-Mambog is yung pagkakaisa nila. Yun. Kita nyo ng mga event na to is yung laging natutuloy and laging successful. And yung pagiging active nila sa sport. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Totoo naman yun. Actually, every night talaga napakadaming tao dito. Nanonood sa palabas ng Mambog ang pagkakaisa. We would like to call in Ginoo number 6, the Hakot Award. Ginoo number 6, you pick a question. Are you ready? How will you describe an achiever? I repeat the question. How will you describe an achiever?
An achiever possesses an embodiment of timeless virtue, integrity, respect, and grace, embracing humility with empathy. And that's all. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 6. We have Ginoo number 7. Medyo tumugo yung ilong. Wait lang. Ginoo number 7 is your question. What is the thing you fear the most and why? I repeat the question. What is the thing you fear the most and why?
Good evening po sa lahat, and thank you po sa napakagandang tanong. Ang aking sagot po dyan, isang kinakatakutan ko, isang mawalan ng minamahal sa buhay. Kasi ako po, personally, is nawalan na po ako ng lolo. Patay na po ang lolo ko. So, pag na-experience po yun, doon nyo lang po ma-realize kung gaano po kalaki yung impact nun sa buhay nyo. Minsan, pag nandyan sila, hindi mo sila mapapansin. Pero pag nawala na sila, doon mo malalaman kung ano ba yung halaga nila. Yun po ang pinaka-kinakatakot ko at ayoko na pong maulit-ulit. Kahit hindi po natin i-deny na lahat po tayo ay papano sa mundong ito, nakakatakot po talaga ng isipin na mawawala ang iyong mga magulang, minamahal, mga kaibigan. Lahat ng tao sa buhay mo ay mawawala yan. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Very well said, Ginoo number 7. And we have Ginoo number 8. Ginoo number 8. This is your question. Amidst all the trials and darkness we are all experiencing, what is the main reason we have to be happy and why? I repeat the question. Amidst all the trials and darkness we are all experiencing, what is the main reason we have to be happy?
Simple lang po ang reason para maging masaya. We survive.
Kahit anong darkness o trial ang dumating, pandemic, dito pa rin tayo nanonood sa harapan. Na patuloy na bubuhay, nakakakain sa araw-araw, kumikita ng pera, at patuloy mabubuhay hanggang sa susunod. We survive and we still surviving. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 8. We have Ginoo number 9. This is your question. How would you know if you already grown up? I repeat the question. How would you know if you already grown up?